What if you could completely redesign your home in just 10 minutes using AI? Today, we're looking at Planner 5D to see if this is truly the ultimate AI home design tool. Whether you're planning a quick room makeover or building your dream home from scratch, Planner 5D is an AI-powered platform designed to make 2D and 3D drafting incredibly simple. With over 120 million users worldwide, it's built for both casual homeowners and design pros. You don't need a degree in architecture to use it. You can start completely from scratch or let their smart tech do the heavy lifting. So what makes it special? First is the AI floor plan recognition. You can actually upload an existing 2D blueprint and the AI will recognize and convert it into an editable 3D model in minutes. From there, you get access to a massive library of over 8,000 customizable furniture and decor items to style your space. Once you're happy with the layout, you can generate realistic 4K renders, adjusting the lighting, shadows, and colors to see exactly how your home will look in real life. They even support cutting-edge tech like augmented reality and Apple Vision Pro. Now, let's talk about what real users are saying. Planner 5D holds a solid 4.4-star rating based on over 645 reviews on G2 and Capterra. Users like Timmy and Alex praise how smoothly it runs across different devices without glitching, and how easily it turns flat blueprints into 3D spaces. People also love the value for money compared to expensive professional CAD software. On the flip side, while the platform is highly rated, independent reviews outside of G2 and Capterra are somewhat limited, so it's hard to gauge how it performs for highly complex, large-scale commercial architectural projects. But for everyday home design, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. If you want an easy, visual, and highly interactive way to play interior designer without the steep learning curve, Planner 5D is absolutely worth checking out. It saves you from making costly decorating mistakes before you buy a single piece of furniture. Have you tried using AI to design your space yet? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.